Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this spare tire brake light for Jeeps. This will fit Jeep Wranglers 2007 to 2018. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So we're going to install this, show you guys what it looks like. Installation looks pretty easy. This is what you get in the box. You get this and you get some instructions. We're going to go install this. So we're going to take these 4 screws out of the brake light that's already here. We're going to take all those out. Of course, you've got to take the tire off as well. Otherwise, you can't install it. Unscrew all your things, pull your tire off. All right, so we're going to plug the lights in here in a minute, but for now, we're kind of going to show you how this goes on here. Just like that. And then the tire is going to go back on here. But first, we're going to plug the lights in. So this is the brake light that comes with the Jeep, the brake that goes above the tire. And we're going to unplug this. And yes, we totally go off-road in this Jeep. Can you tell? So we're going to take the bigger of the 2 plugs, plug it in there. And then the smaller end is going to go in there. So that way your original brake light is going to work as well. And now we're going to go ahead and put this all back together. Okay, so now we have this installed, we have the light all screwed back together, and now we're gonna put the tire back on. Reinstalling the tire, and then we're gonna see what this looks like. Check that out. And the original brake still works as well, but look at that, nobody's gonna miss that when they're behind you. This one's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. I like this. We recommend this one. This is pretty cool. It's really bright. Actually, you know what? Before I end this, I'll wait till it gets dark and we'll show you what it looks like when it's dark. All right, it's pretty dark outside, but you can see that lights up really, really well. Yeah, that's pretty cool.